Afternoon, everybody. It's a lovely Thursday. Rain's just cooled us all down, so nice and happy about that. It's really interesting. I was reading an article or listening to an article about whether chiropractic care after the period you feel better actually makes a difference in terms of stopping you from feeling worse again. And then today I was asked by somebody on his second visit. He's obviously very optimistic about the future. He said, once we get great results, how often should I come in? And so, having just read the research article that sort of linked to his question, I was able to confidently answer that. And I have the research article summary here. Now, it's important to mention this research article was published by a journal called Spine, so that's a really well peer-reviewed journal. It's not a journal produced by chiropractors, important to note that. So I believe the level of bias, like there is in research, in many cases, should be quite low. And so this research basically broke it down, and it was looking at lower back pain, three different groups of people. Those that they all had lower back pain. One group of people, they went to see a practitioner, and that practitioner did what's called a sham treatment. So they didn't really do the treatment. And that was for 12 visits. Then the next group went to see the chiropractor or the practitioner, and they had hands-on work done on their spine, chiropractic type work, done for 12 visits, and then that was it. And then the third group, they had 12 visits as well of the hands-on work done, and then after that, once per fortnight. And the results were that the groups in the second and third group, people in the second and third group, those that actually had the legitimate hands-on work done, they experienced significantly lower pain disability than the group that had the sham treatment, which you'd expect. However, only the third group that was given spinal adjustments during the follow-up period showed more improvement in pain and disability score at the 10-month evaluation. So the conclusion of the article, as stated, is that spinal manipulative therapy or adjustments of the spine is effective for the treatment of chronic non-specific lower back pain. To obtain long-term benefit, this study suggests maintenance spinal manipulation after the initial intensive manipulative therapy. So it basically means once your pain goes, there is advantages in continuing to keep the function of your spine working at a good level in terms of preventing the pain in the future. And then in the case of a chiropractor that thinks very holistically like I do, there's also this to think about, which is the whole body is related to some degree to your spine and your central nervous system. So I hope you found this interesting wherever you are in your journey with chiropractic, whether you are a seasoned veteran or you're in the beginning phases or you haven't tried chiropractic. Hopefully at least this made some sense to you and you found it interesting and useful. Have a great Thursday.